Triple Treat, a dive into common homophone triplets. Hello there, language enthusiasts. We're thrilled to have you back for another episode in our Advanced Vocabulary series, focusing on homophones and homonyms. Today, we're diving into a special and exciting section, common homophone triplets. Get ready to uncover these thrilling thruples of the English language, where not just 2, but 3 words share the same pronunciation but have different meanings and spellings. Homophone triplets are a fascinating occurrence in English. Just like the more familiar homophones, which are pairs of words that sound alike but have different meanings and often different spellings, homophone triplets are sets of 3 words that are pronounced the same way, yet have different meanings and, usually, different spellings. Let's take a quick example to understand this better. Aisle, and aisle. All these 3 words are pronounced the same, but aisle is a passage between rows of seats. L is a contraction of I will, and isle is a small island or peninsula. Fascinating, isn't it? Now that we've understood what homophone triplets are, let's dive into some commonly used ones. We'll state the words, provide their meanings, and use them in sentences. 1. Cite, cite, and cite. 2. Cite means to quote as evidence for an argument. 3. Sight refers to the ability to see. 4. Site refers to an area where something is built or could be built. 5. Principle, principle, and principal. 6. Principle is a fundamental truth that serves as the base for a system of belief. 7. Principal is the person with the highest authority in an organization. 8. Principal is a pal, friend, named Princey. 9. Peak, peak, and peak. 10. Peak is the pointed top of a mountain. 11. Peak is to stimulate interest or curiosity. 12. Peek is to look quickly or furtively. 13. Flee, flee, and fleece. 14. Flee is a small wingless jumping insect. 15. Flee means to run away from a place or situation of danger. 16. Fleece is a type of fabric often used for jackets or sweatshirts. Remember, understanding which word is being used in a sentence depends a lot on the context. For instance, if we say, he is the principal of the school, you know that's incorrect because, based on the context, the right word should be principal. So always pay close attention to the context. And there you have it, a deep dive into the world of homophone triplets. We hope this video has been helpful and has added a new layer to your understanding of the English language. As always, keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, have fun with the language. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its complexity and its potential for fun wordplay, and English is no different. So, till our next episode, keep learning, keep growing, and happy speaking.